physics, electricity. Okay, first of all, before start the chapter, let's revise or clear the doubt. First of all, what is voltage? What is current? And what is resistance? Okay, so before we start, let's understand some practically. This is conductor. Consider this is one conductor. What is conductor? Electricity or electric charges, okay, which is passed through it easily. It's called conductor, and its opposite is what? Insulator, right? Okay, that electric charges or current cannot be passed through it. Okay, so this is one conductor. Consider as a conductor. All right, now you know the conductor that electricity pass through it easily, right? Now I give one supply. This is one supply, big dash, or you can say big line, is for anode, or you can say positive, and small one is for cathode, and it's called negative, right? Okay, I'm just here writing up conductor. Now this is one cell. Okay, now for the protection we are going to connect resistor. It's called resistor. Okay, this is the sign of resistor. All right, and here connect this. What type of this circuit is? Closed loop circuit, right? Why is closed loop circuit? Because it's all connected, all components are connected, right? There is any breaking point of this wire, it's called wire. Okay, copper wire, right? So this is the closed loop. All right, instead of this cell I can use what? Key. It's called key. The dot in middle is mention of what? Close. Okay, without dot it's mentioned as a open. Okay, so instead of battery is what? Combination of cell, right? This is what? This is cell. But now I'm gonna draw like this. This is positive, this is negative. So what is this? This is the combination of cell. Okay, so combination of cell is called what? Battery. Okay, but only one positive and negative terminal is what? Cell. Okay, you know the symbol of cell, you know the battery symbol, all right? You know the resistor symbol. Resistor, why is this crisscross? We will see that why the symbol is crisscross. Okay, this is called key. Key is going push it inside. That's why it's going to be closed. And this closed circuit, okay, this closed circuit can only pass the charges, right? And open key means what? Circuit is broken. Okay, so it is open, then circuit is broken. Circuit is broken means what? Electricity or electric current cannot pass through it. Okay, second point, current always pass through positive to negative side. Okay, what is direction of current? Positive to negative direction. Okay, now next, battery symbol, cell symbol, battery symbol, key symbol, resistor symbol. Switch, what kind of switch? This is 2 wire and we are going to connect it with switch. This is closed, and if it's open, then it would be like this. Okay, now combination of electronic component, resistor, battery, cell, ammeter, voltmeter. From the voltmeter we measure the voltage, from ammeter we can measure the current, right? Resistor, if this is the symbol of resistor, if the arrow would be in kind of this, in this resistor symbol, okay, then it's called variable resistor. Okay, I'm giving you example of resistor. Why? We are going to understand this 3 terms first, then we are going to understand what is resistor and variable resistor. This is the symbol of variable resistor. Okay, now let's see voltage. Okay, of course we will see from the book, but for the concept practically we should understand what is voltage, then what is current. Symbol of current is I, and what is resistor? R. Okay, voltage is what? First, before the start the voltage, we first understand current. Current is what? Electric charge. Okay, there are charges in the path. Which path? This path. Okay, this path, it's called electric field. Okay, this electric field has electric charges, and this electric charges is what? Electron. Okay, so current is what? Electric charges which is flow in the electric field. Okay, but one thing I want to say, in previous class we understood that negative charge is going to be repel and positive negative charge is going to be attract, right? The only electrons would be passed through this wire, or you can say this electric field, then it could be repel. Then why are the electric charges, or you can say electron, flow in this wire? Okay, why? Okay, so to flow this electron, to flow this electron, we require force. Why? Negative negative is going to be repulsion. Okay, direction is there, but the motion of electron, it's in repulsion form. Okay, so for that we require force. Okay, so current is path. Okay, and we require force, that electric charges or electron flow from the electric field. It's require force, then it's called voltage. Okay, and resistor means what? Resist of current. I'm giving you example that a regulator of fan, your ceiling fan. Okay, so current is there, require voltage to flow that electron from the electric field and supply to the fan, but regulator is on 5, no resistor. Now I am move that regulator to 3, fan is going to be slow. Why? Because resistor is resist the current, and because of it, what happened? Flow of the fan is going to be slow. Okay, this is practically you can understand it. Resistor means what? Resist in current. Voltage is what? To flow of the electron we require force. Okay, so force would be applied on it to that electric field. Okay, and current, which is what? Electric charges flow in the path or electric field, which is electron. It's called current. Okay, in next video we will start the chapter. Thank you.